Correct wiring connections of any power inverter are very important so that the power inverter will safely operate and not to be damaged. On this example, we use the SNAT toroidal off-grid power inverter that has a 12 volts DC input, 220 volts AC input, and 220 volts AC output. Here are the steps on how to connect the power inverter. Number 1. Make sure that our power inverter DC input voltage is similar to our battery system voltage, because some of the power inverter have DC input of 12 volts, 24 volts, 36 volts, 48 volts, and other type of power inverter DC input. Number 2. Always connect first the battery system to the DC input of the power inverter to avoid any damage of the electrical system and the inverter itself. Number 3. Find out the electrical grid voltage that's similar to the AC input of the inverter. The AC from the grid must be 220 volts if the inverter AC input is 220 volts, because some of the power inverter AC input has 110 volts and 220 volts. We have already the existing AC voltage from the electrical grid transformer going to a kilowatt meter of our house. Number 4. Do not forget to connect the correct amps of AC circuit breaker from the kilowatt meter in order to protect the electrical cables and power inverter if there is a short circuit or overload. Number 5. We connect now the circuit breaker to the power inverter AC input. This AC input is the other source when the battery system become low power, because this type of inverter have ATS, or automatic transfer switch. Number 6. Then, we connect the other circuit breaker to the power inverter AC output, for better protection of the power inverter, and the cables, when there is a short circuit, or overload. Number 7. Finally, we connect the load into the circuit breaker. We can now safely energize the incandescent load, if all the wirings are properly connected. We keep in mind that all the wirings connection must be done according to the steps, including the calculation design of the cable sizes, circuit breaker sizes, inverter wattage capacity, and expected load to be energized. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel. Knowledge link information.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive.